What's good? What's poppin'? What it is? It's your girl Kay. It's the KaYy family, and I told y'all that we would be back later today with another one. I'm finna cook some meatloaf, mashed potatoes, and broccoli and cheese, like I said earlier before. But before we get into the video, y'all, make sure y'all like this, make it hit it. Comment down below. Make sure y'all drop all comments just to let us know what type of like content y'all want to see and everything like that. Make sure y'all press that notification bell so y'all post up on all posts and uploads as we upload to the channel. Y'all already know it's the K and J gang, KaYy family, and this is the video. Let's get into it. I cut the meat. Got some onions. Now, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna do. So, I don't know how a lot of y'all do y'all meat. And y'all already know my main ingredients that I always use. Pepper, Creole, Stop Your Mama, onion powder, garlic powder. So I'm gonna put this right here. I gotta be really careful because like the phone posted up a little different this time. I don't have the ring light on this time because I don't want it to get hot in here. I'm about to turn the oven on, and I'm really not for. I'm just really not for that. So okay. Give me some more. I'll probably say you stay thirsty, girl. I usually cook some bell peppers. We do have bell peppers. Okay, let me add bell peppers to this real quick. I love you too. There go JaYy, y'all. Kind of posted up, kind of. You see how it's not like solidly posted? That's why you could. I love you too. I love you too. Go sit down, mama. Yeah, we ate too much at the table or whatever. Let's start now.
They about to cook.
But yeah.
I'm gonna help. I help plan on what to cook. If that makes sense. That makes sense. Right?
Yeah.
I don't really think
This? I'm not sure, man. You talking about just the meal itself?
yeah, like 3-4 hours.
Meatloaf. Definitely not.
Oh, yeah,
That should have ate firm.
Oh, I see. We're gonna put it in the bag and put it back in the freezer.
Love you too. Alright. We got some bell peppers cut up. Now, and some onions. Okay. Now we can get into it. Smash this down like this. Hopefully I do better on the time. We're only 6 minutes in. Opening this up a little bit. No. Gonna break up some bread pieces and put it in the oven now. Who is it? Your mama? Okay. Alright. So first I'm gonna add some pepper. Alright. Next I'm gonna add some onion powder.
Go ahead and roll.
Next I'm gonna do some garlic.
Y'all, this shit might be banging, man.
And a little bit of sloppy mama. Not too much. That shit is really salty, y'all. So stay a little light on that. And then the Creole season. So this is gonna be well seasoned. And I think I wanna mix this first. Oh no, can't mix this on the table. I don't want y'all to drop. Ooh, that pepper.
Y'all wanna watch KaYy?
Just leave them over there. Talk to them. They don't, no. Talk.
Y'all see she mixing the meatloaf, but she won't let me mix.
Yeah, you can. You wanna, I ain't know, your hand.
Your nails.
Okay, well, I'm gonna put egg and bread in it. You gotta. Alright, I'm gonna.
You said I'm finna do that.
I was just letting you know it's gonna get real slimy. Take out some bread, baby. So definitely put the egg in there and hold it together. Add bread to make it like the meatloaf. Some people use breadcrumbs, but we don't have no breadcrumbs, so we're making our own from fresh bread. Yep. Which is better, fresh. It's always better to have it fresh anyway. You want to do it? Break like small pieces and just throw it in them. And then you got yeah, crumble it up. Yeah. So she's making the fresh breadcrumbs. She's dropping it in there. It's better that way. And she got just enough bread, I believe. So two loaves should be good.
How dare you?
I don't know how that fly got in here. Probably when our son came in with his little cousins. That should be enough though. If it ain't, it'll be today. Matter of fact, we'll add the end booty. Here.
So what, baby?
Add the booty piece. It's little anyways. Okay. So I hope y'all enjoy your afternoon. Hope y'all enjoyed that video from earlier. Make sure y'all like it, smack it, hit it. Comment down below on all of our videos if y'all like it. And if y'all want to see more from us, continue to just support us, watch us. It's nothing to just press that like button or press the notification bell so that you are posted up on all the posts and uploads. as we upload to the channel. And again, I want to thank our new subscribers. That's what keeps us going. That's what keeps us motivated when you guys are interacting with us. And it's best to catch us in the beginning, like I always say, because once we become up there, it's going to be hard to really keep up with every comment. So I do want to form a bond with the beginning subscribers and our followers, me and Jay, and hopefully we can start participating in some of these giveaways and things like that. Staying blessed, staying good people, staying in good hands of each other is the best thing that anybody could do right now. So I support anybody that's out there trying to do a YouTube, trying to do a TikTok, trying to do anything that's on these platforms, because it's not every day we get up and we want to do it. But what motivates us to do it is the fact that we do have a lot of interactions. We have people actually commenting. We have people actually liking the channel, pressing the post notification bell. Some people, like on my TikTok, some people don't even get on TikTok until we share out that we're live. So I do thank y'all for that. We thank y'all for that. The KaYy family, y'all hashtag that in the comments down below. Spin it up. Okay. So let me go check on Babe. Perfect. Now I'm gonna add the bell peppers. She's gonna show y'all. I'm gonna have her mix it in. Yeah. Just show them the look good. She's gonna mix it in, but she's gonna show you what we concocted up over here. Here, baby. And we're gonna mix that in together, all of it, and then after that, hold it back up. And then no. And then after that, what she's gonna do is basically just mix this all in together, and we're gonna make a shape long ways. Alright, so mix it in really good, baby. What you mean? Like mix it in, squeeze it together, squeeze it all, make sure it's all even and squeezed together. Yeah. Doing great.
I made cook school, y'all.
My baby, she gonna know how to cook every fucking thing. Come on now, y'all supposed to be teaching y'all spouse things that I don't know, she teaches me, so I love it. It's spring break. I'm really dreading not wanting to order a drink. I know I don't want no wine, y'all. I had wine yesterday and I slept for 8 hours straight. I slept from 4, right, babe?
Yep.
I slept from 4 o'clock in the afternoon to 11 something at night, and I got up
12.
for hours. Almost 12, and I got up for hours. I ain't go back to sleep till
You went to sleep at like 4?
4, and then we woke back up at 9, cooked breakfast with you guys, and we laid down for a little bit. I think Jay dozed off for just a little bit, but not too long. And now we're up again, like we promised y'all this video earlier today. And we cooking dinner. We get into it. Jay putting her muscles in back there. I'm about to get the mashed potato water started because I need hot water to be going on with those mashed potatoes. Now, like I said, I'm gonna be adding a little milk just like I do with my my grits. A lot of things I add milk to, but it's not good if y'all want to like have it last a little longer. It's not good to add milk to everything because milk spoils when left out, right? But we're not gonna be letting anything spoil because we eat every fucking thing. If we don't eat all of it, it's because we cooked way too much. The other day we cooked this big ass fucking pan of mac and cheese. It was hella good though. We enjoyed as much as we could of it before we threw it away.
We ended up throwing it out, y'all. You know what we do with this?
You mix it in real good. Let me taste it.
Give me the taste.
Maybe a little bit more salt. Mash it. A little bit. Yeah, there you go. We're gonna mix all that in. And then we're oh no, I need a little bit more pepper, just a little bit more.
Yeah, baby.
Babe, you know meatloaf is a
You know what I'm talking about?
It's a
started
mixing
mixing
thing.
it in already.
oh, that's fine. That's fine. As long as it's evenly squeezed throughout, it's good. Y'all, the stuff I ain't finna add nothing else. But it could use a little bit more garlic and onion powder and stuff like that. But Bay is over there like hell, it'll do.
Come on, let's
So
get some. Come on. Mix. Let's get it too.
make sure it's better too less than too much. So that's why I start off a little small. Y'all see what I had added? That should be enough. Did I do the pepper?
Mm-hmm.
I already put pepper?
Yeah, I can put Creole seasoning on.
Alright.
You
So
can smell this.
yes, that's how you know. If you ain't, hey, you ain't seasoned, they ain't seasoned. We ain't seasoned yet but one. And that was from the pepper. Okay, so next what I'm gonna do while she's over there shaping and molding up and pressing and getting all these good juices and seasons all throughout in these peppers all throughout our meatloaf, I'm about to heat up some water. I'm gonna put some salt in it. I'm gonna put some butter in it, and I'm gonna put some milk in it, and we're gonna let that boil up. That's gonna be for mashed potatoes. We're also doing broccoli. We have the frozen broccoli. We have this big bag of frozen broccoli. Go get y'all some. It's really good though. This brand isn't too bad because Bird's Eye, I feel like they don't overdo it. They don't over chop it. It's real frozen broccoli. You get what I'm saying? Got weight to it. So we're gonna be doing that as well. I don't want to drop y'all again. I'm gonna leave the season out for now because we still have to season certain things up. Take the bread up. Egg we're done with. It don't have to all the way reach each side. Okay, I also gotta tell y'all another thing after I put this butter and salt and stuff. Okay. So remember the other day when I said I was going to get my nails done, which I did. I hope y'all like them. Coughing. Love them. So remember I was telling y'all I was going to go get my nails done. I didn't know if I wanted to really get them done. So I did. Well, they did. And we went together and stuff like that. You know, we do a lot of shit together. Most everything we do together. Period. Remember I put in some contacts. They're not in anymore because that brand, I really don't like that brand. So I took it out. My eyes were hurting. Like that next day, I wore them for like a day or 2 days. I think I wore them for like a day and a half or 2 days, and it started bothering my eyes really bad. And even after I took them out of my eyes were like paining. So tell me if any of y'all actually have dealt with that. Like my eyes were hurting to even close my eyes. It hurted, and they was just running and running and running. It was just like a non-stop pain. So I took them out. Today is like the first day where I feel like my eyes don't hurt. So that brand was Hollywood. I would not suggest it. I've never tried it before, but it was cute. something to try. And y'all know I love to, people that know me, and I love to wear contacts, but that's just not the brand for me. So I'm going to be trying out another one. Hold on. So yeah, I told y'all to go get y'all some, but I don't recommend it because it was my first time trying that brand. And that brand didn't too much work out too well for me. But it may work for somebody else, so I'm not knocking them at all. So Hollywood brand contacts. I did notice that that color did not look like the same color I usually get, but it's the same name. So it was way brighter. It was giving real glow in the dark. Yes. So show them my meatloaf. Jay got the meatloaf shaped up. There it is. And we about to put this in the oven, okay, y'all? Boom. Now we got our water and our butter. Did I put salt already in it?
Did she put salt?
Hell no. Hell no. I didn't. Damn, we need more salt.
We still got what you we got this right here.
Yeah.
You want to mix salt?
I don't know how to really cook with it. That's what I had with about another one. I didn't know when I bought that. I was just trying to get a big one. But those big grains like that, it's hard to measure out. Like, am I moving too much? That shit was so salty. Okay, so Jay gonna put the broccoli on. I already told Jay we can't do the tape, but hey, she gonna keep dropping y'all.
That was big dropping out.
Okay, so yeah, you can put that in there.
What was that message for right there? I ain't even got to cut out of the open one. Drop it in them? Drop it in them?
Yeah.
Oh, this smells.
Broccoli smells. I wonder how they preserve it. What all they put in it to preserve? Well, I'm pretty sure that's on the back of the bag. So yeah, I'm about to put the mashed potatoes on in a minute. She's putting the broccoli in. Y'all already know meatloaf does not take that long, so we get everything put on now. You bought mashed potatoes?
Mm-hmm. Put it in the refrigerator.
This is the kind of mashed potatoes that we're going to be cooking today. Go get y'all some Idahoan. These are really good, by the way. They come out like pretty thick. Love it. Get some. Oh, it's going in the back, baby. You already had it back though. It's right there. broccoli is in the pot. About to add some garlic and stuff to it, some pepper, and some Creole seasoning. Huh? Your phone? Okay, babe. I think Jay wanna go put her phone on the charger or get it off the charger. Alright, so let that go for a minute. That's getting hot. So all of our food is basically we about to toss these in. We about to toss these in once this water get hot. It's not that hot, y'all. It's hot, but it's not that hot. That's the butter and the milk and the water mixed all together. Oops. Girl, sorry, babe. I bleached the rag if y'all wondering. I like to use bleach. I love bleach. Who else love bleach? Please drop it in the comments down below. Like, I feel like you can't clean without bleach. Like, it's not clean if you're not using bleach. Clorox, whatever y'all like to call it. Bless you. Bless you, baby.
Thanks. They gonna make Kool-Aid in there?
Go ahead. I think they want Kool-Aid tonight.
Is it no water?
Yeah, that's enough. That's enough. Though.
Not me.
Go ahead.
You don't
want
wanna
to make
make
Kool-Aid?
Not like yours.
It's just sugar and
Yeah, but you know how to make Kool-Aid. I don't know how to make it.
I made it Kool-Aid, babe. Watermelon. Sugar.
As soon as I see it again.
That shit big. And slow.
I know, right? Right.
y'all make y'all Kool-Aid? My mama taught us to make it a little different from this when we were younger. Like we'll make a bunch of, we'll put a bunch of sugar in a cup. We'll put the Kool-Aid packet, and we'll mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. Then we'll put it in the jug, and then we'll add water to it. But I'm not doing it like that today, cause who finna do all that? I didn't make it like that last time. I just added everything to this, and we did our thing. You okay, babe? What's wrong? I think she got thrown off by a little something. My baby over there chilling. You smoke? Go relax. Go relax. Okay. Definitely needs more sugar. Nobody break y'all. Yeah. Y'all heard Jason come out. I know that's right. It can still be a little sweeter though. Let me just add just a little bit more, y'all. That was not a little bit. By the way, our mashed potato water over there, boiling like a motherfucker. Boiling. So now maybe I can do it like this. Subscribe to the channel, gang. I'm telling y'all don't want to miss nothing. You never know what we're going to be doing on this channel. We always just, hey, depends on our mood. It's a Kool-Aid type of like this.
You got ketchup?
I think so. It's on the counter right there. The counter.
It's this.
Yeah.
It's this. Is this the port? Is this the port? Is this the
You dropped it? It was just a fork?
Yeah.
Okay, baby girl.
I was trying to give it to you.
Okay, let me get it. Thank you. You got the watermelon kind. Alright, we're gonna mix this up just a little bit more. Yeah. Gonna make sure it's stirred enough, y'all. So we 37 minutes in. Make sure you like it, smack it, hit it. Comment down below. Y'all already know what we do. Make sure you press that notification bell so you are posted up on all posts and uploads as we upload to the channel. Y'all already know it's the KaYy family. Tell y'all mamas, tell y'all friends and y'all family members. Tell a friend and tell a friend and tell another friend and family member to subscribe to our channel. We're trying to grow this thing up. I have patience, so with time and patience, everything will work out. Now let me taste this. Yeah, it's there. Oh yeah, definitely. That's where it's at. Let's get these mashed potatoes going. Any closers or anything?
Mm-hmm.
So what you do? Okay. Well, she going to the store.
Alright,
Y'all.
y'all.
Want to end it off, or you want to keep it going for more? I ain't put the mashed potatoes in. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead. We're gonna end this off. Hold on, babe. We're gonna throw these in and end off this video, so we can go ahead and start uploading. So, about to put these in here real quick.
Oh, I ain't going.
This hurts me.
No, you're not going to the store. All right. Got the mashed potatoes in. We about to start cooking these bitches up. I don't want to spill it, y'all. But yeah. Listen, it's the KaYy family. Make sure y'all like this, make it hit it, comment down below. Make sure y'all press that notification bell so y'all post them on all posts and uploads as we upload to the YouTube channel. It's KaYy and it's
JaYy.
and we out. Damn.